Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays and second one the same birthday? Now let us try to understand the question. Like the first part, it is asking us like they will have different birthdays, means they will have different dates, and the second one is if they have a same particular date is that birthday. Okay, now let us try to understand this. So we very well know that number of days in a year is equal to 365, because as per the question they have asked us like ignoring a leap year. So we are not considering any leap year, just we are calculating the days in a very straightforward manner, and we are considering as 365 days in a year. Now number of days when same birthday is possible. Okay guys, so if you see, if we try to find out the same birthday, because in a particular date and in a particular date the same both of them will have their birthdays, that means this event will happen only once. So we can write number of days when same birthday is possible, when same date, when same I can write when same birthday is possible, when same birthday is possible. Okay, so this is equal to 1, because this is the only one, same day means only one day is possible in a 365 out of 365 days. So what we can write, and we very well know that the probability of occurrence of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So guys, here if we are so this is what, if I write probability of both having same birthday, both having same birthday, so both are having a particular day, is the probability is equal to, I can write number of favorable outcomes. Here is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here number of favorable outcomes is 1, because only one day is possible, and total number of outcomes is total number of days, so that is 365 days. So guys, we found out the question. This is the second part of the answer. We first attempted the second part of the question, both having the same birthday. The probability is 1 by 365 or 1 upon 365. Now after answering the second part, the first part becomes very easy for us guys to answer, both having different birthdays. Okay, before moving on to the second part, let me recall that probability of occurrence plus probability of non-occurrence is equal to 1. This is what I have also told you in the previous session. So probability of occurrence plus probability of non-occurrence is equal to 1. Now guys, the probability of occurrence for us is like probability of both having same birthday, that is equal to 1 by 365, and the probability of non-occurrence for us is like probability of both not having same birthday, probability of both not having same birthday, that is equal to 1. Okay, now Let me solve this one. So I can write probability of both not having, just I am writing in short form, not having same day, I am just writing in short form guys, is equal to 1 minus 1 by 365. That is equal to 365 minus 1 by 365. Or I can write probability of both not having same day, same birthday is equal to 364 by 365. This is the first part of the answer guys. So our first part of the answer is both probability of both not having same birthday is 364 by 365. So guys, this is what is the probability that both will have different birthdays. So both will have different birthdays is the probability that both will have different birthdays is equal to 364 by 365, and the probability that both will be having the same birthday is 1 by 365. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This calculation is very simple and straightforward. Just we need to understand the question and we need to move in a particular direction. But guys, if you still have any problem, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.